auditory effect. The microwave auditory effect, also known as the microwave hearing effect or the Fry effect, consists of audible clicks induced by pulse-modulated microwave frequencies, microwave devices. The clicks are generated directly inside the human head without the need of any receiving electronic device. The effect was first reported by persons working in the vicinity of radar transponders during World War II. These induced sounds are not audible to other people nearby. The microwave auditory effect was later to be discovered inducible at shorter wavelength portions of the electromagnetic spectrum. These effects occurred as a result of thermal expansion even at lower power density words that appear to originate intracranially. Use in communication, use in non-lethal weaponry. Exploited the microwave auditory effect. The classification FOIA request technology could facilitate a above source. Microwave hearing may be useful. A person that is not aware, hearing be disrupted